Welcome to the Visa Sponsorship Insider, your definitive 2024 guide, where we unlock the secrets to getting visa sponsorship. Are you tired of endless paperwork, confusing requirements, and hours spent searching for answers? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate guide to obtaining visa sponsorship in 2024. So, let's get started. Step 1. Research is key. Begin by identifying the countries that offer visa sponsorship programs aligned with your skills and qualifications. Step 2. Assess your eligibility. Check the specific criteria for each program and ensure that you meet the required qualifications. Step 3. Gather all required documents. This may include your passport, educational certificates, work experience letters, and any other necessary paperwork. Step 4. Craft an impressive resume. Highlight your qualifications, skills, and experience in a concise and compelling way. Step 5. Prepare a solid cover letter. Tailor it to match the requirements of your desired country's visa sponsorship program. Step 6. Network. Connect with professionals, join industry events, and leverage social media platforms to expand your contacts and increase your chances of finding a sponsor. Step 7. Utilize online platforms. Websites such as LinkedIn, Upwork, and Freelancer can help connect you with potential sponsors. Step 8. Apply strategically. Allocate time and effort to each application, ensuring that you comply with all guidelines and submit a strong case for sponsorship. Step 9. Stay patient and persistent. The visa sponsorship process can be lengthy, but don't lose hope. Keep following up with potential sponsors and stay motivated. Step 10. Seek professional assistance. If you're facing challenges or feel overwhelmed, consider hiring an immigration lawyer or consultant to guide you through the process. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our ultimate guide. Remember, visa sponsorship requires dedication and perseverance, but with the right strategy, it's possible to turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insider tips and tricks.